we guide you through how to set auto reply on Messenger. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Then go to your page if you are managing one, because auto replies work through Meta Business Tools. Next, tap Professional Dashboard or Meta Business Suite, then select Inbox and look for automations or automated responses. Tap that and choose Instant Reply. If you want an automatic message sent right after someone messages you, now toggle it on, then customize your message. Keep it short, friendly, and clear like, "Hi, thanks for reaching out. Will reply shortly." After that, you can also set away message if you want replies only during specific hours. Just schedule your availability and edit message the same way. Once done, hit save and test it by sending your page a message from another account to make sure it works. And that's it.